Do hashtags work on TikTok? And should you use them for your videos? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use hashtags on TikTok and why you should and shouldn't use them. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to get more from this channel. So let's talk about TikTok hashtags. I know that's such a hot topic on the channel right now, and people are asking, what do I do about hashtags? Do I use them or do I not? Are they like Instagram? Are they not? Well, here's the deal. TikTok hashtags are not like Instagram, okay? I know that a lot of times with us on Instagram, we will post a video and our first comment in the video will be hashtags, or we'll write a description and then we'll go down a little bit and then write hashtags. That's not what you want to do on TikTok because you currently only have 300 characters for your description on TikTok, including your hashtags. Okay, so how do hashtags work? Hashtags work like this. When you use a certain hashtag, you are literally telling TikTok to send this piece of content to a person that has used a particular hashtag or has interacted with a piece of content. So, for example, if you use the hashtag natural hair, like my hair, right? Then what you're telling TikTok is this video, you want me to send TikTok to send this video to women or people that have used the hashtag natural hair, that have created content on TikTok about natural hair, right? And things of that nature, okay? And so also what you are doing is you are telling TikTok, send me more content about natural hair. So if you use the hashtag, someone that has used the hashtag, had content about hashtags, and I forgot, they actually interact with pieces of content on TikTok that use the hashtag natural hair. So you then are going to receive back all the videos in your For You feed all around natural hair. So when you are choosing your hashtags, you want to choose them wisely. This is why if you are a business on TikTok, you do not want to be using the hashtag FYP. FYP stands for You page. Oftentimes people feel like if they use the hashtag FYP, then they'll get more views on their videos. Could be possible, but what you just did was you sent your video to anybody with the hashtag FYP or interacted or whatever, and now you're going to receive a ton of videos from people using the hashtag FYP, which could then mess up your TikTok feed. What you really want to do is you want to choose niche hashtags so that your content could be sent to the people you want to send it to. So I create TikToks teaching female course creators how to generate more revenue on TikTok by generating leads to their email list. So oftentimes when I create videos on TikTok, I will use the hashtag TikTok for female coaches, TikTok for female business owners, mompreneur, shepreneur, female boss, TikTok for coaches, relationship coaches, financial coaches, business coaches, or whatever, because I want this video to reach those people. Okay, and so typically that is who will start interacting with the content in my video, and then I'll receive their content in my feed. As you create content on TikTok on a regular basis, what's going to happen is that TikTok is going to know your account and they're going to know, okay, let's send this content to this person. And the software is so sensitive that you're saying things in your video, you're writing certain things as text on screen, you're writing certain captions, it's picking up who to send your video to. So you do not have to use hashtags in your videos to have success, but if you're strategically trying to target a certain person, group of people, city, state, country, or whatever with your piece of content, then using hashtags is going to be great for you. My recommendation, a friend of mine taught me this, Rachel Peterson, taught me this, to use hashtags with 2 million views or less on them. Because if you have billions and billions of views of hashtag on that hashtag, then it can kind of get lost in the midst of all the different people. And remember, in that description section, including hashtags, you only get 300 characters. So make sure you use your description description wisely, as well as your hashtags. And so, do I recommend that you use hashtags in your video? Yes, I do recommend it, because as a business, if your goal is to reach your certain target audience, drive them to the clickable link in your bio so that they can opt in or purchase your product or service, then as much as possible, you want to make sure that you are sending your content to the right people. And so I hope you enjoyed this video on understanding hashtags on TikTok.